wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you'll never see if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? Here it's truly 876 by Bergs as usual, you know, man. You see me? I just want to say, yo, bless up to everybody who tune in right about now and taking the video, you know, you see me? Yeah, man, we just basically left Hero Circle and we make our way go downtown. Right about now, I go over Portmore, you know, people, yeah. Go over Portmore right about now, you see me? Go and do some business. But on the road I run some little errands, you know, people. You see me? So, yeah, man. I go cross over Portmore, and I don't know the thing go Portmore for sure. You see me? Yeah, man, blessings to everybody, you know, and I don't know early 2024, you know, so bless up to everybody, you know, and I don't know the thing go, you know, you see me? Wishing all the best for the year and beyond, you see it? Yeah, man. Go, lady, go. Yeah, man, I know the thing go. You see it? So right about now, we're there, I say I make a way go downtown. Straight down the road can carry us straight to the waterfront. I look the sea down there, so I look on Palisades Road. You see me? Yeah. You think maybe that I like a part of the airport where I have view this. I know the camera not show it properly, so I don't get to see it, you see me? Properly. But yeah, man, I saw the thing set up, man. You see it? Yeah. Take your time, make a way go over Portmore. I go over the RGD at Portmore. That's actually the place that deals with the bird paper and all these things, alright? Yeah. That is it. That is it. That's the place that where I'm going. Alright? Yeah. So what go on, people? What are they with? What go on? How has the year been so far? Is it me? Like what's popping? What's popping? How has the year been? Eh? Tell me what happened, what go on? I wonder if I carry across the toll or if I go. Boy, I don't really like Spanish Town Road like that, to tell you the truth, you know, people. I don't like it like that, you know. I kind of feel one vibe like I carry another way there, you know. You see me? Yeah. Right now, this is East Queen Street. Yeah, downtown Kingston. East Queen Street. People, you know, I had something to check right here. Close by too, you know. But there's no parking. I'm going to a gas station, I can look if I see no parking. We'd have something to check right off here, so people. But, boy, the parking look. The parking look shaky. I don't see something right there, sir. And then we can squeeze in right there, sir. I think I see a little parking, people. Give me. I can check out something close by. See if I can squeeze in another space right there, sir, people. Hold on. I park between one car here. Like one Toyota and one big body Benz. Yeah. And the big body Benz here, I think it was a GLE this. I park between, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to check out something and forward back the people. Give me some time there, yeah? Alright people, so I actually get through with them one. We'll stop and buy something real quick. So yeah, they're back on way up on the journey, I know, you see me? Yeah man. So I go to Portmore now, I got the RGD at Portmore, so I pre-set me for take now. They I just try to contemplate which part for drive, you know, people. I just that. I go down here so still. I go down here so. Sorry. I go carry on up Spanish Town Road. I don't like drive this still in, but I carry on that way there. Yeah. Well, I try remember. No, I go Marcus Garvey Drive. Sorry, yeah. I not go up Spanish Town Road. That thing about go up Spanish Town Road and go 3 miles away, but I not go there, so I there so I go Marcus Garvey Drive and go around. That direction they may pre right now. I drink a water people, so you might hear the plastic bottle make little noise, alright? Forgive me. So yeah, I go around there, so take the left, go down King Street. So right in front of we have the bus park for the Portmore bus them. Greater Portmore, Gregory Park, Waterford them place there. Yeah. For them bus park that, you know. Yeah, so we have to take our time and go around, you know. Then a taxi I go to Portmore too. So, you know this is downtown Kingston, King Street this. Now we have the courthouse. So lawyer there across the road I got a court. See me, courthouse on the left. Supreme Court, that appeal court them on the right. So when the criminal them get charged on the left hand side and get sentenced, then them go across the road on the right side 2 years after the appeal. You understand? Yeah. That one. man, yeah, man. Oh, more time them man, I mean, I know them drive so, you know, people, I swear. I don't know how them drive, so honestly. Alright, so yeah, I got end up on Spanish Town Road, but we got end up a little bit up at the top because I can see if I can cut cross. When I go around here, so I got turn off for Marcus Garvey drive and see if I can go cross, how you call it? Go cross, go around, take it around like Sea View way right there. So I'm not going to go all the way up a 3 mile, I'm going to turn out before. Alright? Yeah. Turn off before. Yeah, people, just after midday right now, you know. Yeah, just after midday. What a 10 minutes after 12 right now. This Marcus Garvey drive over there, so Nutramix is a feeding place, animal feeding. Yeah. Over there, so it make, you know? Yeah. But this up on the left side now, people, petrol jam up this, so the oil refinery. But them bike money I ride bike nowadays in a slippers. I mean, I like to know people. I don't ride bike, but I know some original bike rider. You see me? Yeah, we not even them bike them ride. Big bike them ride. And them think that when me and you, me and family, we have big bike. You see me? I never yet one day see them in a them thing. Slippers, I ride bike. But you know them crap, because them tell you say even when you change your gear or something with the clutch. Which me not even did know. You see me? When them tell me about it. And you change gear. You see me? You have to kick down on them thing there. So I don't know how them man come about now I ride bike in a slippers. It's weird. go around them vehicle here, you know, because money are going away. Truck man just take him little time, you know, him not dey on a rush. A little truck man here. We have my people. We have make the right turn up here, so. That way I go. I should have text still, you know. Alright, so me I go at the end of the toll, you know, but true me have to go around and go at the mall. I go way around, so just take it that way, yeah. See something car around or something I think about forgot, but it don't look like say car can go on. Let me see what I go on. Around some more going to people. Yeah, because what they the black off, alright. We're good to go. Around here, so I see you people, you see me? Yeah. Take my left round this up. See view gardens. Inside. I think there's a way I could have drive around this to and come out up Spanish Town Road, but I don't remember right now. I want to go in a little bit. A beer does. Taxi man don't want to drive in a rock. And all I go meet have to drive in there. Because I did it on my side. You know, it look like them lay one pipe or something. Yeah, it look like a that go on here, so why them dig up the road, so. Yeah, some pipe laying go on. So we make a left right just at a little filter part here, and this carway. pan Spanish Town. The bus man look like him have a black me now. So we almost reach a 6 miles, you know, people. Yeah. Riverton day over here, so to the left, yeah? People, you see the road now no marking in night up at them part here. Most of the road. I think when you get further up the marking start, but the majority of the road, marking night, no marking. Come big van man. No marking, you see it? Over for me, David know say I come over because no mark no there if you tell him say, yo, you come out later. It's a Mandela Highway now, people. And then buy cute again. Slippers. You know what? Oh, with them new school and bike rider here. Slippers. How them do it, people? Alright people, so we're gonna go straight and then turn and stoplight down this, so could have go Dyke Road, but turn and stoplight round there, so people, you see me? Actually I could go Portmore Mall, you see it? Yeah. so don't you say independent city now, people, you see me? Yeah. Just so we have Cumberland, as I say, you saw a city, independent city. But you know you have Cumberland on the right hand side there, so yeah. Right to say upon the left turn and you take for go Caymanas Park. Yeah, you know track with the ass them gallop. Right there, so your side, yeah. So if me take it at Dyke Road, but I come from the other end of the stoplight. I go at the stoplight and make a right. Maybe take it from Dyke Road, I come from the other end of the stoplight, people. You see me? Yeah, that's how I come from. Other end of the light. Other direction. I'm gonna still turn and come around, so you see me? Yeah. Yeah, people, I just have to check some information on my phone here. You know? Yeah. Because as I say, I go over at the RGD, which are the birth paper place, you know, birth paper, marriage paper, all sort of paper. So I go over there, go check out something, man. Let's check some information from my phone, you see me? Yeah. So back on the streets again, yeah? Yeah, man. Almost reach the place in the people. Almost reach the place. So I just make a left turn around here, so. Yeah. Taxi man, I broke the one way. One way people, it's a one way this. You see lawlessness in Jamaica? Yeah. And the man that drive like normal, like a film road, like a yo, I the right side of the road in the panari, you know? Yup. They say they're right now in Jamaica people. Taxi man just broke the one way and no say, yeah, that is it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Tell her. So we have a couple bank over here, so NCB on the left and JMB this over Ace up on the right, yeah. So we are going now, right in here, so. RGD place this right from my left hand side, yes, sir. I'm way back, boy. So this is it, people. Yeah, so the video gonna come to an end, you know. I'm gonna just angle some business in here, so. And then, yeah, actually have something else to deal with too, but we'll see how it goes, you see me? Yeah man, we'll see how it goes, but I'll close out the video right there. So give thanks to all of the people who always are tuning in, you see what I say? Yeah man, bless up on yourself man, everybody will always drop on a comment and all of these things, you know what I say? Yeah man, bless up on yourself man, manners and respecting the people who don't know the thing going on, you see it? Yeah man, 876 by Bergs. Do remember to continue to like the video, do remember to share the video, drop on a comment as usual. If you haven't yet subscribe to the channel, make sure you want to subscribe, alright? We don't know the thing going on, my people. 876 by Bergs, you know, and I'm out, alright? Yeah, LiQWYD.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere.